Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will see about Gallantry Awards of India. So in my previous video I have uploaded about civilian awards, do watch it. So the awards in this category belong to Indian soldiers. These awards are conferred to Indian soldiers for their exceptional valor, dignity, courage and sacrifice. Initially there were only three gallantry awards, Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra and Veer Chakra, that were introduced by the government on 26 January 1950. Afterwards, the Government of India introduced few more gallantry awards on 4th January 1952, which include Ashok Chakra Class 1, Ashoka Chakra Class 2, and Ashoka Chakra Class 3. However, in January 1967, these awards were renamed as the Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. So, one more thing to remember here is that the gallantry awards are divided into two categories, that is, wartime gallantry awards and peacetime gallantry awards. Coming to the wartime gallantry awards, these are instituted for the Indian soldiers who show exceptional courage in the war while fighting the enemy. And these awards can be of the following types, that is the Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra. So, let's see one by one in detail. Coming to Paramveer Chakra, it is the most renowned wartime gallantry award presented to a soldier for showing outstanding fighting skills and courage on the battlefield. This award was introduced on 26 January 1950. The word Paramveer Chakra means wheel of the ultimate brave. Savitribai Kanolankar has designed the Paramveer Chakra. It is made up of bronze and is in the form of a circle with a diameter of 1.4 inches. The award suspends from a bar. On the front side, it carries four replicas of Indra's Vajra, which encloses the national emblem. On the back side, it has the words Paramveer Chakra embossed in Hindi and English languages. Between the Hindi and English words, one can see a lotus flower on each side. Major Somnath Sharma was the first army personnel to receive the Paramveer Chakra in 1947. He received this award posthumously after death, that is after death, for his act of bravery in the Kashmir battle in November 1947. Coming to the next one is Mahavir Chakra. It is the second most prestigious wartime gallantry award. It is awarded to Indian soldiers and officers for their enthusiasm and act of courage while facing or fighting the enemy in the war, whether on the land, sea, or in the air. And this award is made from standard silver and is circular in shape with a diameter of 1.4 inches. On the front side, a five-pointed heraldic star is imprinted, and the state national emblem with the motto is embossed on the domed central piece. On its opposite side, Mahavir Chakra is written in two different languages, that is in Hindi and English. The words in Hindi are separated from the words in English by lotus flowers. The medal is provided with a ribbon which is half white and half orange. Moving to the next one, Veer Chakra. It is the third highest wartime gallantry award presented to Indian soldiers and army officers for the act of bravery while facing or fighting the enemy in the land, sea, or in the air. And like other gallantry awards, it also has a circular shape with a diameter of 1.4 inches. It is made up of standard silver and has two sides like the other awards. On the front side, we can see a five-pointed heraldic star and the national emblem along with motto at the center. Whereas on the reverse side, there are two words Veer Chakra written in Hindi and English and separated by a flower on each side. The medal comes with a ribbon which is blue and half orange in color. And moving on to the Peacetime Gallantry Awards, as the name suggests, the category of gallantry awards this category of gallantry awards are awarded to Indian military personnel for courageous action or self-sacrifice during the non-war time or away from the battlefield. These awards are of the following types: Ashok Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra. And coming to the first one, which is Ashoka Chakra. It is the most prestigious peacetime gallantry award that is awarded to a soldier or army officer for their outstanding courage and self sacrifice away from the battlefield. However, a civilian can also be considered eligible to receive this award for his or her selfless courage and self sacrifice for the country. And the design of Ashoka Chakra is very appealing. It is made in the form of a circle whose diameter is 1.4 inches. On the front side, it has a replica of Ashoka Chakra encircled by a lotus garland. On the rear side, that is on the back side, the words Ashoka Chakra are imprinted in English and Hindi language, and a lotus flower is imprinted between them on each side. The medal is provided with a dark green silk riband of width 3.2 centimeters. An orange vertical line divides the riband into two equal parts. It is worn on the left side of the chest along with other medals. The first army professional or the personnel to receive this honor from the Indian Air Force was Lieutenant Suhas Biswas in 1952. Moving on to the next peace award, which is the Kirti Chakra. It is the second highest peacetime gallantry award presented to an army personnel for an exceptional act of bravery, courage, and self sacrifice. And here also, civilians can be nominated for this award. Its shape is like a circle whose diameter is around 1.38 inches. It is made up of silver and has rims on both sides. A copy of Ashoka Chakra enclosed by a lotus wreath is present in the center of the front side of this award. On the back side, it is imprinted with the words Kirti Chakra in English and Hindi. The words are separated by a lotus flower on each side. The medal is provided with a green riband that measures 3.2 centimeters in width. Two orange vertical lines divide the riband into three parts. Like other medals, it is also worn on the left side of the body. Moving to the last Peacetime Gallantry Award, which is the Shaurya Chakra. It is the third most prestigious Peacetime Gallantry Award that can be awarded to any army personnel as well as to a civilian for an act of bravery or self sacrifice during peacetime or away from the battleground. It is also circular in shape with a diameter of 1.4 centimeter. It is made up of bronze with a front side similar to Ashoka Chakra and back side imprinted with Shaurya Chakra in Hindi and English and are separated by lotus flowers. It is worn on the left side of the chest as it is provided with a 3.2 centimeter riband that is divided into four equal parts by three orange vertical lines. So this is all about Gallantry Awards of India. I hope all of you understood. Thanks for watching.